In this video, I will show you how you can speed up your iPad 11a16 if it has slowed down. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on iPad Storage, and from here, just make sure that you have enough storage on your iPad. If your iPad is low on storage, the performance of your iPad will go down. So make sure you have enough storage so that your iPad can work properly. Ideally, free up 10 to 15 gigabytes of the total storage. After that, just go back and in the general settings, just scroll down a bit and tap on background app refresh. Now, if this toggle is turned on, just turn it off. After you do that, then just go back. Then in the general settings, just tap on software update, and from here, just check if you have any update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad. After you do that, then just tap on Accessibility. And under the Accessibility settings, just tap on Motion. And from here, just enable the toggle for Reduce Motion. Now, after that, just tap on Battery. Now on this page, if you have noticed that low power mode is enabled on your iPad, just turn it off. Because when this option is enabled, your iPad will prioritize the battery life over the performance of your iPad. So just disable this toggle if you want better performance. Now after you've done that, now just swipe up and go to the recent apps section. Now if you have lots of apps opened in the recent apps section, just close them all. Now I'll open a few apps just to show you the process. Now if I go to the recent apps section, now to close the apps from the recent apps section, just swipe up on the apps to close them. If you have many apps open at the same time, you can use multiple fingers to close multiple apps at the same time. After that, just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button of your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can speed up your iPad 11a16. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.